Job planning with LeTourneau equipment got its start in this old Moss Avenue shop at Stockton, California. R.G. LeTourneau, a land leveling contractor, had a lot of earth to move. Time was short, and the equipment of that day too slow to suit him. So he built a new scraper, planned it to move more earth quicker. It looked like this, and believe it or not, it worked. Worked so well and moved earth so much faster and cheaper than other available equipment that Western contractors asked him to build scrapers for sale. That was R.G.'s start as a manufacturer, the start of an earth-moving revolution. Today, 5 modern factories supply your needs at Stockton, California, Tournapull, Georgia, Peoria, Illinois, Vicksburg, Mississippi, and Rydalmere, Australia. Over 2.5 million square feet of floor space devoted exclusively to the development and manufacture of high-speed, low-cost, earth-moving equipment. Inside these factories, steel, welding rod, and skilled workmanship are blended together to give you better earth-moving and construction equipment. Thousands of tons of specially selected steels are used annually. Automatic flame torches cut and shape the steel. This eliminates many castings. Every part of LeTourneau equipment that is subject to excessive strain or wear is heat-treated by laboratory-controlled methods. Specially designed quenching fixtures eliminate distortion. To you, this means longer equipment life. Hundreds of jigs are used to assure you blueprint accuracy of welded structures. These jigs are movable, a foot at a time or all the way over to allow position welding. Approximately 85% of all LeTourneau welding is horizontal. This gives greater strength. In a single year, over 4 million pounds of welding rod are used in the manufacture of LeTourneau equipment. 10 miles of weld metal are deposited daily, and every inch inspected. Truly, from these modern factories come earth-moving and construction equipment designed and built to make your planning succeed. It's made big and strong from steel, fast and powerful from cable control. The LeTourneau Power Control Unit is the heart of LeTourneau equipment. From it, Carryall scrapers, dozers, cranes, and rooters all receive their instant positive action. The LeTourneau Power Unit is considered tops in the construction field. There are more in use than all other makes combined. From this assembly line come the biggest, most powerful units available today. If your prime movers are equipped with LeTourneau Power Control Units, they can handle every job demand. Wide metallic brake bands and large drums make it ideal for heavy-duty work. Its strong line pull enables it to handle scraper loads up to 42 cubic yards. The double-deck sheave assembly assures straight cable pull and reeving from any working angle. No, it isn't a hurricane, but a LeTourneau dozer blasting its way through heavy timber to clear and pioneer a grade. Knocking over big trees is no easy job. Here's how one smart operator handles them. First, saucer around the roots. Next, build a ramp to increase your leverage. Put the blade high up the trunk and push till the tree starts to fall. Get under the roots and literally lift the tree out of the ground. Then roll it away to the brush pile. Notice how the blade follows the trunk over the bank. Low drop, as much as 6 feet below the tracks, makes this easy. There are many reasons why LeTourneau dozers are the choice of leading contractors for the roughest, toughest jobs. Box beam construction gives the necessary strength to withstand the abuse of moving rocks, stumps, and trees without adding power-robbing dead weight. Correct design of blade and bowl ensures instant natural penetration and starts dirt rolling to eliminate resistance. fast-acting cable control with fractional inch accuracy enables you to dig in deep or skim off the top as the job demands. The bowl is reinforced by a series of angle irons arranged to form box sections. These sections, plus triangular ribs at the bottom of the bowl, absorb all the shock that power against rock can give. Here's a bowl that won't buckle. And you need that strength when you work in rock. Notice how the angle dozer digs into the ledge and comes out with a load. Instant penetration in shale. It's natural digging suction that takes the blade down. For lowest cost clearing and pioneering, be sure your crawler tractors are equipped with LeTourneau dozers. Load, haul, and spread in one continuous cycle of operation with one piece of equipment. That's the Carryall method. It's the secret of lower dirt costs. The LeTourneau scraper line is the most complete in the industry. From 3 to 42 cubic yards, designed for all job conditions. Here's how to lower your costs with Carryall. Plan downhill loading whenever possible. Weight plus gravity gives bigger loads. The addition of a pusher cuts loading time. Fleet use spreads the cost of pusher loading over several units. Carryall features include box beams of special alloy steels to give maximum strength with minimum weight. This means stamina under punishing working conditions, long, trouble-free equipment life. All cables and shivs are out of the dirt. They're protected from abrasive wear. Cable is dead-ended on the apron to give you maximum cable life. Also, tailgate cable is dead-ended on both sides of the bowl. This assures a straight pull at the vertical load center to carry the tailgate forward smoothly. LeTourneau Carryalls are built like a box. The sides and ends are stoutly welded together by rugged arch frames, spring pipe and bracing at the top, and by yoke, blade base, and rear of scraper at the bottom. This additional support eliminates the weakness of large open body scrapers. Gooseneck yoke in the front and scraper design at the rear enable you to get a variety of tire sizes on all Carryalls from 8-yard capacity and up. This feature assures you of correct tires for every job. Design and construction mean plenty when you're loading rock, heavy sand, and sticky mud. Carryalls keep jobs moving in all types of material and under all working conditions. After loading, Carryall scrapers immediately become hauling units. They eliminate special hauling tools and enable you to lower equipment investment. Planning your hauls will really pay dividends in time saved and yardage moved. This alert contractor routed his hauls over newly built fills to utilize large tire compaction. Here's why Carryall scrapers completely unload all materials. Notice how the tailgate wipes the bowl clean as it moves forward. That's patented positive ejection with independent apron control. Carryalls spread in smooth, even layers that meet job specifications. You can spread from 4 to 24 inches in one pass. They can pour it on traveling down steep grades, or spread it along the outer edge of a fill. Large pneumatic tires firmly compact the thin layers. If you're using crawler tractors to move dirt, be sure they're equipped with LeTourneau Carryall. Tournapull, modern rubber-tired power for faster earth moving. They give you all the proven economies of Carryall scraper operation, plus traveling speeds up to 15 miles per hour. On all hauls from 300 feet and up, Tournapulls give lowest cost per yard. The Tournapull is a pneumatic-tired prime mover that combines the economy of Carryall scraper operation with high-speed hauling. It's designed for pusher loading and obtains heaping loads of all materials in minimum time and distance. Here's why. Tournapull two-wheel design puts weight where it's needed most, on the drive wheels, to give you the greatest tractive power. Front steering wheels are eliminated. You steer and pull with the same wheels. Once loaded, the rubber-tired unit immediately becomes a hauling rig with traveling speeds 2 to 3 times faster than crawler tractors. This enables you to move earth farther at lower cost. For better results from Tournapull, plan and maintain good haul roads. These excellent roadways were more than paid for by more trips daily. Dusty roads slow down high-speed equipment. A sprinkler would be a good investment on this job. Good gravel roads are all-weather roads. Removing spillage assures faster travel with complete safety. Tournapulls have plenty of power and rim pull to travel steep grades. These units are pulling up a 25% grade in second gear. Two-wheel design makes this possible. It puts weight on the drive wheels for maximum traction. Sure-acting brakes on both the Tournapull and Carryall make traveling down steep grades easy. Positive brake action on the rear keeps the pulling unit lined up, gives complete control on grades. Tournapulls give you positive ejection spreading. You can spread in controlled layers to exact job specifications. Or pour it on at top speed. You can plan on more work from Tournapulls. They give you extra advantages through interchangeability. The same prime mover that operates your Carryall can also be used with a Tournatrailer. On shovel work, Tournatrailers give you high-speed hauling with low equipment investment. The flared body with an 8-foot top aids big drag line and shovel spotting. Tournatrailers are quickly loaded to 17-yard capacity. Large pneumatic tires on both pulling and trailing unit decrease rolling resistance and give faster travel speeds. On the fill end of your job, a Tournatrailer has no equal. Its method of unloading is exclusive. The body moves over a stationary bed, makes an ever-increasing opening to completely unload all types of materials from sticky gumbo to large diameter rocks. Your Tournapull can also power a Tournacrane. It's interchangeable on the same power unit. This high-speed lifting tool gives you 10-ton lifting capacity with unlimited mobility. Rubber tires permit travel over concrete surfaces, airport runways, or soft, mucky ground. Tournapull design gives maneuverability for working in close quarters. Plan to handle your lifting jobs with this interchangeable tool. With Tournatrailer and Carryall scraper, it completes Tournapull economy. Tooth dynamite. That's the best description of LeTourneau rooters. They break up rocky materials for easy Carryall scraper removal. With a rooter, you can extend Carryall work range 30% and cut loading time 20% or more. It's blasting without powder in tough limestone, 30-inch penetration, and the power of 2 tractors. But this heavy-duty rooter can take it. Here's why. The main frame is fabricated of 1-inch plate steel, arc-welded into an almost indestructible T-shaped body of box beam design. Through the head of the T, 3 shanks measuring 3 inches thick and 10 inches wide are supported and held rigid for almost half of their length by the main frame. Each shank is strong enough to take the full power of 2 crawler tractors. A patented universal drawbar forging anchored inside the box beam frame gives strength plus freedom of action. The forging is set in 2 machined bushings with an adjustment screw at the rear to take up any play or wear. There's plenty of lifting power in the rooter to tear out stumps, boulders, and concrete. The design of the throw arm assembly gives a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage. This ratio, combined with the use of 4 lines, results in a total lifting force up to 50,000 pounds at the tip of the shank. Every pound of pull on the cable is multiplied 10 times at the tooth. This lifting power makes it possible to rip old concrete pavement faster, cheaper, and safer than any other method. It's a one-man job. They hauled it away with a carryall. To meet compaction specifications for durable roadways, airports, dams, and levees, use LeTourneau sheep's foot rollers. They're full oscillating to give equal distribution of tamping pressure on uneven ground contours. Tapered feet give cleaner tamping. Hitch design allows various combinations of 1, 2, 3, or 4 units. Here's another money-saving tool that will be mighty handy on your job. It's the LeTourneau crane. This unit provides a fast and economical method of lifting heavy loads. 10-ton capacity and extreme mobility make it ideal for construction or industrial use. The same prime mover and cable control unit that operates other LeTourneau equipment powers the crane. No other lifting tool offers you this interchangeability. Here's an example of efficient job planning. This alert contractor realized the value of modern high-speed earth-moving equipment for lower-cost yardage. He's using rubber-tired Tournapulls along with his older crawler tractor rigs. The newer high-speed units are handling the production work, moving big yardages fast. And it pays. On a 3,600-foot haul, each unit delivers 80 yards per hour. His crawler tractor rigs do cleanup work, handle short hauls. If you want lowest cost yardage, be sure to plan your jobs with Tournapull. Job planning works for the small operators, too. This concrete construction company uses a carryall for every phase of its stripping and material handling work. Loading downhill, 6 yards of overburden are picked up in less than a minute. The material is wasted in worked out areas. This saves rehandling. A trip is made every 5 minutes. But that's only half of the story. On the return trip, this same carryall loads gravel and hauls it to the washer. Results in one continuous cycle. With one piece of equipment, they're handling twice as much gravel as before at one low cost per hour operation. Now you've seen the complete LeTourneau line, the design features that make them faster, the precision, quality manufacturing processes that make them stronger. Compare LeTourneau performance with any other equipment. Prove beyond a doubt the yardage it will move. From start to finish, the use of high-speed, powerful, interchangeable LeTourneau equipment will give you lowest net cost per yard. That's our story, with one exception. Job planning for you. LeTourneau field engineers, experts on equipment and equipment application, will gladly assist you. They consider every factor that affects the amount of dirt moved per hour. Their service is yours for the asking.